Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to stop seeing your friend moments on Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Alipay app. I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay app. Just like so. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on common privacy settings. Just like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on hide his or her moments. So it take you right here. Next thing you can do is to simply click on this plus sign right here. Then it take you right here. Then select the number of the friends that you want to stop seeing their moment. So I'm going to click on this. You can select as many as possible number of friends. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on OK. And next thing you need to do is to simply click on complete. From the top right here, click on complete. In a few seconds, the contact will be added. And anytime they make posts on Alipay, you will not see their moment. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to stop seeing your friends' moment in Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial on how best to use Alipay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you